So, my personal home flooded during Hurricane Helene. I was a recipient of one of the personal grants since my practice actually, thankfully, did okay. We stayed in the home since the hurricane didn't actually hit the coast. It was 100 miles offshore, and it was about 10 o'clock when we saw water coming in through our back door while we were sitting on our couch. The immediate aftermath of Hurricane Helene, there's no book for this experience. I'm sure other people would attest to that, or people who've dealt in other disasters like the fires. You have insurance. Thankfully, we do. Thankfully, we've gotten money from them, but it's such a process to go through that you don't actually know what you're supposed to do in the immediate time. The AVMF grant it seemed like one of the first breaks we got, really, between spending time on the phone with insurance companies and adjusters and your mortgage and FEMA. A lot of things don't actually at least come through immediately, both financially, but also just logistically. So to be able to apply for funding from AVMF and then receive it within a reasonable period of time, it was just like a thank goodness. Thank you. I think that you never really think it will be you until it is, but knowing that other people want to support our lives when we need it really goes a long way. We do give our lives to helping so many others, so to be helped in a time of need is really amazing. So thank you for considering it. It is incredible to be able to say that I'm supported by, not only my work community, which thankfully I have a wonderful practice to work at, but also the greater community recognizes that, we might need help even when we are still showing up with a happy face and going to work and doing all of the things that make us happy. Things could be falling apart at home, and we thank you for your support. Really appreciate it.